My name is NURULASYIQIN SALIM and I will present about database container. Okay, first we must install application install Docker-ITT. Okay, this is the process of the installation. Okay, after finish, we will create the file in the project repository or directory, which are 01 MySQL, 02 server C, 03 client C, 04 server Pi, and 05 client Pi. And then we make a Docker file in every directory and Docker compose YML file. Then we can do ls to see the file that is in the project file. Okay, first we will do the Docker compose YML file. Edit the Docker compose YML file. Okay, this is the Docker compose YML file. There is container name, which is server 01 MySQL, and the port here is 30,000 and 3,306 that we assign for the database container. Okay, now we will see the Docker file for 01 server MySQL. Okay, this is the data for the database, which contain username, points, and the timestamp. Okay, after that we will set the root password here, and then we go into the root. And then to do Docker compose up, we must install first the Docker compose. So we will install Docker compose, Docker-compose, and this is the process of installation of Docker compose. After that installation, we will do the Docker compose up command. Okay, then this is the progress after we do the Docker compose, which means that the Docker is running. And this only for server 01 MySQL container. Okay, then we will go into the bash of server 01 MySQL. Okay, this is my SQL. First we will show databases, and then there's three here database, so we will use sir_db, which is the database for our project. And then we will show tables. Okay, there is my table, so then we will describe my table, and then we will select to show what is contained in each field. We select every field that we want. Okay, this is the content. Okay, then we can check the database using the IP address of the Ubuntu, and then the port that we assign for phpMyAdmin, and this is the interface. So we can see our database, which is sir_db, and then my table. So this is our data that we have done. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ROZMAN. So I will be presenting the server and clients in C language. So we use nano command to create the file, and this is the coding for the server. And we use the 8998 port for the socket, and then this is the MySQL database IP address. that's the server coding. And then we go to the the client coding. As we use the nano command also, the the client file is named as client.c, and this is the coding for client. And then we need to compile the code in both. The command for compiling the server code is a little bit different because we use the MySQL header, and we just compile the client as usual command, and then we just run it. And this is the output for server and client container in C language. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, next for the Python and client server, uh, we will see the coding in the server.py file. Okay, this is the coding of the server.py. Okay, and then this is for the client.py. We have assigned the port which is 6666 for both of them to communicate each other, and 172.17.0.1 is the IP address for the database server, and the user SAADAH is the user for the database, the password, and the database name. Okay. Okay, now we would like to run the file using Python 3. We will run it together in the same time. Okay, then we see our data from database, and then we can write message at server and send it to the client. Okay, that's all.